This is number 71 for the MAT 1033 Final Exam Review. It asks us to write using radical notation 4x to the 8th all to the 1/2 power. So because this 4x to the 8th is all in parentheses, that means the 1/2's applied to everything inside the parentheses. It's a fraction exponent, so we know there's going to be a radical. My base is 4x to the 8th. Raising it to the first power, second root. Notice this 1's up top, it's going to stay up top. This 2's in the bottom of a fraction, just like the bottom of a tree is at the root. So this is the root of my radical. So the square root of 4x to the 8th to the first power. So the square root, I don't need to write that little 2 because it's understood that if nothing's there, it's going to be the square root. 4x to the 8th to the first power is just 4x to the 8th. We always have to check to see if this can be simplified. So we know the square root of 4 is 2 times 2. So those two 2's are coming out of the radical. We just have 2. The square root of 4 is just 2. And then we have x to the 8th. We know if we're taking out groups of 2, we can either write out 8 x's and take out groups of 2. Or we know if we have 8 of them, we're taking out groups of 2. It's the same thing as saying 8 divided by 2, which is x to the 4th coming out of the radical. So we have 2x to the 4th coming out of the radical. And that's going to be our final answer, number 71 for the MAT 1033 Final Exam Review.